It's a lovely finish. I love the colour. You've got 3 things to ask. I don't know if you want to ask. The 6th of February, she's back together, looking good.
Yeah, you could actually use this. This is, you know, it's good now.
That is superb.
It shuts and
it's
doesn't
brilliant.
rattle and the panel gap's right. This seal is going to be a pig, this one.
Yeah, I bet
I will sort it.
Yes.
Right, Susan.
Sure.
Yeah. And then you're going to do that.
I know. Yeah, okay.
See what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
Just covering all that lovely back end up.
Yeah. Let me show. I'll show you some pictures.
Yeah. If we can you get smaller number plates? It's looking good.
These are what join the front wings together.
God.
Oh, right.
Are
They
they?
were blue and they were full of filler
yes,
and
yeah.
they were just lumps of grot that come off with the wings. They are supposed to go.
Oh, God.
There.
Lovely.
That's exactly what I was
Cleaned
thinking.
all these up. I've put all stainless
it's brilliant.
fixings and washers
Oh,
on.
it looks fabulous.
Yeah,
It really does look fabulous. God.
I will sort out some chrome indicators for the front. Right.
Leather check straps are on.
Oh, do you like them?
Yes, I do.
Door doesn't open as far,
Doesn't matter.
but because it does that,
That's
you see.
that's smashing.
Yeah, it's not too blingy.
Not too.
That's the old one. That's the old one. Stay to that. Do you like it, Dal?
I do.
It's fabulous. It really is lovely.